I think we are live.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kohinoor Business Expo presented by M Space Invisible Grills, who is our platinum sponsor, Pavni RMC and Air Vision, our gold sponsors, Alankrit Jewelers and Kopurauri Chit Funds, our gifting partners. It gives me great pleasure to present to you this evening a man of money. Yes, you heard me right, money. Money is the one thing that everyone is in need of. Even a millionaire needs money. It's not only a need, it's a way of defining your success, your career. A lot of us have figured out how to earn money, but we still can't seem to know how to grow the money we've earned. Here is one guy. Don't go by his charming looks and his smiling face. He is one tough nut when it comes to money. He will be telling us how he has helped so many people to recheck their financial planning and how he can help them grow their money. Yes, we are talking about Kopurauri Chit Fund. They come with 3 decades of experience to the table. Kopurauri Chit Funds has helped over 1,000 families to become financially stable and rich. Also, did you know that Kopurauri is the only chit fund that conducts open, interactive sessions with their clients? Let's hear about how they do it with their clients. Over to Mr. Gurunadam from Kopurauri Chit Funds.
Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction you have given, Miss Jagruti. That's a pleasure. And my name is Gurunathan. Good evening, everyone. Today, on behalf of Kopurauri Chit Fund, I'll be giving you a presentation. This presentation is all about savings and how to grow your money and become rich. So let's start with the tagline, savings beyond rate of interest. What does that mean exactly? Savings beyond rate of interest. Whenever we interact with any of our clients, there is one beautiful question everyone asks me. How much rate of interest do I get? It's fantastic to ask that question. But sometimes there is a problem. People do not know what to ask after that. So that means they are tapping only 25% of potential savings. They are leaving about 75% of important factors to decide on how to save money and what are the factors that will help us decide on what scheme to go for. So let us look at those three important points in addition to rate of interest. How much money is saved? Let us say you got 20%, 30%, or 40% of rate of interest, but end of the savings you have only 5,000 rupees in the pocket. Will you be able to grow that money? Not enough, right? So you need money in lakhs so that only then you can reinvest and grow that money. So this is one important question you need to ask. How much money will I have in my account or pockets if I go for this savings option? And in how much time? Do you want money today, 6 months, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, or after 20, 30 years? That you should get clarity before you decide on any savings. And is the money generated in white or black? India is growing really fast, my friends. Let us understand this and do not fall behind. India has run on black market investments till date, but in near future you will be getting a lot of opportunities to invest money in white, which gives you great result. You might be having a lot of money, but do you have a source of white money to ready to invest? Don't lose out on that opportunity. Start pulling your source for white money. So keep all these questions in mind to start with before you decide on what savings you want to opt for. Let me take help of one expert who has proven himself the wealthiest people of the planet. He is none other than Warren Buffett. Let us take his help and look out his captions and understand how we can implement those strategies and tips with the help of chit funds for our own money growth. He says, never depend on single income source. What is single income source? If you are an employee, the salary you get is your single income source. If you are into business, the income you generate through your business is a single income source. What he says is create multiple sources of income. I'll give you an example of multiple sources of income. If you are getting any rents, that is additional source. Even if you work or not, you will get that money. Even if you have interest getting from any dividends or deposits, that is a second multiple source. If you have invested in any business and you get profit even though you are not working, that is another source of income. You should create multiple sources of income. Even though if you're not working, you should get money. That is how a success is defined when it comes to growing money and savings. Everyone loves to have multiple sources of income. Is there anyone who doesn't want to have multiple sources of income? No, right? So why don't we all have multiple sources of income? There is one challenge. The challenge would be this: we need to invest money in lakhs, if not in crores, to create our multiple sources of income. The immediate challenge we face is, where do we get that lakhs or crores of rupees from? Do we have to go for loans? Going loans is not a very feasible option to grow your money. But how do we get that? Here, chit fund can play a very important role, my friends. In a few months of taking chit fund services, you will be able to pull lakhs of rupees that are ready to reinvest. Once you reinvest, the additional income the money generates is your first step of creating a multiple source of income. That is why you can definitely go for a registered chit fund to create multiple source. And yes, like we were talking about, registered chit fund can help you have a multiple source के लिए investment in white. So definitely look out for this point and start working to create multiple source. As Warren Buffett says, never depend on single income source. Let's look at second important point when it comes to growing your money. Don't say what is left after spending, but instead spend what is left after saving. I am sure this is the problem of the current generation. There are so many products daily coming. There are so many marketing videos, and we buy a lot of stuff before we even realize we do not need all that stuff. Usually we spend 50 to 70% on unnecessary stuff which we never use and regret later when we face a financial stress or a pandemic like this. This is where you have to be wise. You have to save first, only then you have to spend the amount later and enjoy the amount. So how do you address that? Minimum, put 30% of your savings or income into your savings. I'm saying, guys, this is 30% is minimum. If you're not able to put that 30%, you have to sit back, relax, and plan your saving strategy once again. So when I talk to people about this 30%, so many people say 30%, yeah, I'm spending 50 or 60% in my savings. I wonder how. I ask how. They say I'm paying EMI for the loans I have taken. My friends, EMI is not savings. It is the debt you have. Do not count your EMIs as savings. Make it very clear you don't want to face any financial stress. So take out your 30% to start with, put it in a very good investment or savings option. Then you're left with 70% money and enjoy the rest of the month. It's easy. That way you will have a very good savings and life balance in expenditure and savings. It's a very easy tip to follow. Sit back, do your accounts today, and enjoy your financial spending and saving. Do not put all eggs in one basket. One very important thing a lot of us know. And there is a problem with this quote. Can you guess? Try to guess. There is a problem. We blindly follow that before we even understand the intent. When he's saying do not put all eggs in one basket, he's talking about safety. If you put all your investments or savings in only one place, if there is a loss, you will lose your money. You might get bankrupt. That is why he has to divert all his funds. Fantastic, right? But I have seen a lot of people even mistake this quote and diversify even before they have enough money. I'll give you an example for that. If you are putting 50,000 of your money into savings, a lot of people put 5,000 in 10 different areas: RDs, SIPs, chit fund, XYZ, and all. And for the long term, for 20 years from now, it's very useful. But what about your requirement in next 6 months? What about the requirement you face in next 1 year, in next 2 years? Don't you have marriages to do? Don't you have construction activities? Don't you think opportunities come to your way where you have to invest lakhs of rupees? You will be having so many opportunities and financial difficulties in a short term period. How do you address that? Would you want to go for loans? No. Instead, wait and use your own money so that you are not under stress. So how do we address this problem? So let me give you a simple strategy. Yes. 5 into 10 different schemes, 5,000 into 10 different schemes will be useful for long term. How do you scatter it properly? Put from that 50,000, keep 25,000 into short term savings. That is chit fund for me. So with this 25,000 in chit funds, in next few months or next 1 year, I will be getting money in lakhs that is ready to reinvest and grow that money. For the middle term, let's say next 5 years from now, where can you put? You'll be needing money. So I will go for a chit fund only again. So I'll put it there, and after 5 years, I'll be getting even more money. But for the long term, after my retirement, it is to be taken care. There are multiple options in the market. Definitely do not ignore. Here you have long term, so many years. 10,000 out of 50,000 is a very good investment. In the long term, you will be getting a very good return. This is how you can scatter. So sit back, analyze, and scatter it properly. I can give you another approach of beautiful approach of diversifying your funds very well. How do you do that? I put all my money into chit funds. Let's say if I'm out of 50,000, I am putting 40 or 50,000 in chit fund, for example. So after few months, let's say from 2 years or 1 year from now, don't you think I will be having 30 or 40 lakhs? It's easy to pull that money. Once I take out that 40 or 30 lakhs, then I'll put in different investment options. Once I put in a real estate, once I put it in gold, once I put it in business, once I invest in any other business or build a building so that I get rents. This is how multiple sources are created for you. It's a very easy step. So when you're thinking about growing money, the first step is chit fund. Chit fund acts as a catalyst to reach your financial goals. If you are reaching your financial goals in 20 years without chit fund, you will reach the same in 10 years with chit fund. There are multiple success stories. There are people who have cleared their home loans and many big loans with help of chit funds. For example, you might be having a home loan of 15 or 20 years. A lot of us do have car loans, home loans. So with help of chit fund, if you are able to clear off all that loan in 5 years in advance, will that not be useful to you? That's one application. If you have an collaboration or franchisee opportunities, if you suddenly go up and if you have a chit fund to give you money to ready to invest, will that not be helpful to grow your money? Easy. So chit fund is very easy. Do not stick yourself limiting to rate of interest. I see a lot of people diversifying funds like 50,000 in multiple areas, and parallelly every year they take loans, personal loan, business loan, home loan, car loan. Are you effectively gaining on rate of interest? Sit down and do the calculations. I see a lot of people are in losses when they actually calculate the rate of interest. If you save 10,000 for your future, if you're paying 10,000 in loans, savings is always less compared to loans. So effectively, you are losing out on money. Do understand these concepts and make sure you do not lose and go bankrupt. That's all from my side. And before closing, I would like to thank our sponsors and Mahati team and Kohinoor chapter for providing wonderful opportunities. We are always happy to help you, and you can reach us in this number and through this mail. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity, Mahati team and Kohinoor chapter from BNI. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Guru, for telling us all how we can come, emerge richer and come out of our loans faster. I think I'm going to come to you for my financial planning and see how I can close my home loan faster. Over to you, Mr. Bal Reddy.
Thank you, Mr. Gurunathan, for the wonderful presentation on how to save our money through chits and invest them. That was a useful presentation. Hope our viewers enjoyed this presentation. And for the benefit of visitors and viewers here today, this Kohinoor Business Expo is organized by Kohinoor chapter from BNI. BNI is the world's largest referral organization where a group of entrepreneurs meet every week and we do exchange referrals through our BNI network. Thank you. Over to Jagruti.
Thank you so much. And we
Jagruti, you're on mute. Miss Jagruti, you're on mute. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, thank you so much. We log off from this session and we'll log on to the next session in a couple of minutes where Mr. Sanjay Kapoor is joining us. Please do come back.